Binance periodically hosts exclusive token generation events like this one. In other words, we can call it an IDO, since it's essentially an initial DEX offering. In this video, I'm going to show you how to participate in such token sales. Everything starts with an announcement like this. As you can see, Binance is hosting an exclusive Bubble Maps BMT token TGE. Take a look here. This event lasts only 3 hours, so it's easy to miss. In this case, it started at 8 am UTC and ended at 10:59 am UTC. If you scroll down, you'll see all the necessary details, such as the token name, chain, start and end date, total raise amount, and available tokens. For this project, they allocated 4% or 40 million tokens for the event. The accepted token is BNB, and it usually requires lock-in BNB to receive an allocation. The price per token is 2 cents. From here, we can calculate the FDV. 0.02 multiplied by 40 million equals $20 million. After this, you can estimate the project's value and decide for yourself whether the token price will increase after listing or not. This video is about how to participate in the Binance Wallet IDO, not about analyzing crypto projects and tokens, so I will not spend too much time on this. I always post updates on my social networks about such events, explaining why I choose to participate or skip certain projects. So make sure to subscribe to my Telegram and Twitter to increase your chances of not missing such events. The subscription cap per Binance Wallet user is 3 BNB, meaning you can lock a maximum of 3 BNB in the pool during this event. There is no vesting, so you'll receive all your tokens immediately after the event ends. The DEX trading date is an important parameter. It indicates when trading starts. In this case, trading begins right after the subscription ends. But it will only be available on DEXs, meaning you will not be able to send your tokens to centralized exchanges like Binance or Bybit. Jumping ahead, the BMT token started trading on exchanges 1 hour after the subscription ended. So we could sell tokens on a DEX first, and only after that could users buy or sell them on centralized exchanges like Bybit, BitGet and others. Okay, let's say we have found such an event. What should we do next? We need to open the Binance Wallet. To do this, go over here and click the Wallet button. Normally, you should see the promo for the current IDO right here. All you need to do is click on it and follow the next steps. But if you open the Binance Wallet too soon after the announcement, the banner might not be visible yet. In this case, go over here and click Discover. Make sure the dApps page is open, find the search box, and type the name of the project you want to join. In my example, I'm searching for Bubble Maps. Here it is. Click I accept the Binance Wallet terms of use. Then click Open dApp. PancakeSwap will open. Click Switch Network in Wallet. Here is the Bubble Maps token generation event. Scroll down. You can see a deposit button, along with all the necessary information about this sale. The price per token is 0.000375855 BNB. They are aiming to raise 1503.42 BNB during this event. People have already committed 52,264.2 BNB, which is 34 times more than the maximum target. The status shows oversubscribed by 3,476.35%. What does this mean? It means that if you deposit 3 BNB, you'll only receive a token allocation based on 1/34 of your deposit. 3 BNB divided by 34 equals 0.08 BNB. If this isn't clear yet, just keep watching, I'll show you exactly what I mean. Go ahead and click Deposit. I want to lock the maximum amount of BNB. Next, click Confirm Deposit. Binance Wallet will ask you to sign the transaction. To do this, you need to have some BNB in your balance to cover the transaction fee. In my case, there is no fee to pay. Confirm. Transaction submitted. My deposit was successful. I've deposited 3 BNB into the Bubble Maps pool. The next step is to wait for the listing time. It's now around 11 AM UTC. The subscription period has ended, and I can claim my BMT tokens. I've received 591 Bubble Maps BMT tokens, and my refund is 2.97778 BNB. Since the pool was oversubscribed, I was only able to receive an allocation for approximately 0.022 BNB. I need to claim my BMT tokens in order to sell them. Confirm the transaction. Transaction submitted. Now I just need to wait for it to be completed. The claim was successful. Now I can either click Swap BMT or return to my wallet. I'll click View in Wallet because it takes some time for the tokens to appear in my balance after claiming. Take a look. I can see my BNB refund, but I still don't see my claimed BMT tokens yet. After about 20 seconds, I can see my 591 BMT tokens. Since I'm going to sell them, I'll click on BMT, then tap this icon to go to the Binance Wallet swap page. I'll click Max to select the maximum amount of tokens. I should receive 60 USDT. Approve BMT. The price has refreshed. Confirming the approval. Transaction submitted. It asks me to approve again with the updated price. Confirming the transaction once more. Submitted. Now I can swap. Confirm. Order submitted. My order is processing. Sometimes it's better to close this page instead of waiting for the order to process. Look, I now have 63 USDT in my balance. So let's calculate the profit. I spent about 0.022 BNB, which is approximately $12. I received $63. That means my profit is around $50, roughly 4x my initial spend. Actually, this time it was easy to sell all the tokens. However, if the project is extremely popular and demand is high, selling tokens right after the listing could be difficult. In that case, you might need to use PancakeSwap to sell your tokens. Connect your Binance Wallet. Set the transaction speed to instant. Adjust the slippage to 10–20% to ensure your tokens sell when trading activity is high. And make sure to double check that you have selected the correct token, not scam. As always, don't forget to subscribe if you found value in this video. Thanks for watching. Sorry, I forgot to mention the risks. This is investing. You can never be sure if a token's price will go up or down, meaning you could lose part of your deposited funds. This video was only about the process of participating in Binance Wallet IDOs. This is not financial advice. If you lose money, it's entirely your responsibility. Now that's it for sure. Thanks for watching.